high cleaning and hygiene standards are important in the food industry. Automated cleaning processes are standard today. Inductive conductivity meters help to control and further optimize them. The modular process adaptation ensures system availability while at the same time reducing stock levels. Due to the very compact design, installation in pipes from DN40 is possible. The various areas of application include media and phase separation, concentration control and sharpening of CIP systems, as well as product quality monitoring. The SLI 04 sensors are also used to detect product residues in the cleaning return flow. The uniform, user-friendly operating concept of the Seli sensors allows parameterization in the shortest possible time, without instructions. In addition, all Seli devices can be programmed with the free Seli software.